The crypto market has started to bounce, and the nice part is I just uploaded a video that things are crashing, but I'm not scared and I'm buying the dip. And luckily, things moved in exactly the way which I just described. Dogecoin right now we bought at below 40 cents. Can you imagine it? Which was actually a very, very small window, but we just got very lucky that I made a video at exactly the right time. But the problem is that video is not up yet. Then again, I did describe it also in my quote-unquote panic dump whatever video a few hours ago. And with XRP the same, take a look at the crazy gains which we are seeing right now. On the 𝗫𝗀 account, our latest buy was at what? $1.38 or so. But in the video a few hours ago, I said, man, just buy the freaking dip. Below $1.36 is a gift. If it gets to $1.20, I'm loading up like there is absolutely no tomorrow. But just look at the beautiful course of the XRP price. It is right now up roughly 14% from the bottom or so. We're printing like absolutely crazy because, ladies and gentlemen, this is the most profitable that crypto trading can get. When things move down quite a lot and then move right back up. And I've been warning you guys for so long that Bitcoin's best move, our best, number one best scenario is if it goes from 99.6 thousand back to 95. We've been saying this for days now, and then moves right back up. Even if it doesn't go back to 99 and it goes back to 98, that's fine enough because that money that now rotates back into Bitcoin then rotates over into all the alts. And I think that's also why coins like Stellar XLM are right back to gain land, because people realized, hey, why sell off your coins here? Too many people are panicking, but they're all newbies. And the coins that are up a lot, like XLM over the last weeks or so, these are coins that people bought, and even XRP and Cardano, those are coins that people bought to hold for the next like decade or so. The people holding these coins are strong. Now, before we move on, guys, if you also want to trade crypto, this would have been extremely profitable if you were able to buy the dip over the last few hours, or just watch my last video where I told you guys, I'm not scared, I'm buying the freaking dip like there is no tomorrow. You would have already been in a crazy amount of profit, as right now Cardano is up 10%, Dogecoin is up what, like almost 10% as well here, 7 or so percent. XRP is up a lot, and we right now have a trading competition going on over on 𝗫𝗀. The more you trade, the more rewards you can get. For the next 2 weeks, basically, whatever amount you trade at, you'll get a reward for. So if you're trading a lot, you might get yourself a free bike or a free Tesla or whatever. And right now, the team is doing really, really good. We are in 31st place. I just refreshed. We're actually in 30th place, so we're making some good steps. Again, 𝗫𝗀, anybody can join. The link is down below. We trade crypto over on there. For example, we started this account with $250, and we keep running it up, putting a little bit more money in every single time, because we're going to run this account up a significant amount over the next few weeks or months, as hopefully Bitcoin doesn't kick the bucket and we continue on with the gains. But again, the strategy, which I've described to you guys now in every single video for the last 10 days, has worked so beautifully. Any person that's watching this right now that hasn't made a crazy amount of gains here, there's only one justification, which is you are already set. You're not buying dips anymore because you've got everything in and you're just waiting. That's completely fine. All power to you, brother. But for all of those who get money on the sidelines and are too afraid to buy dips, hey, to each their own. My risk profile basically says, whenever the opportunity is so great that I regret not doing it, I go for it. Which is why I buy all the freaking dips all the freaking time. In this case here, guys, we got to look at Cardano. It went down roughly 20% in this little time period. The XRP price went down what? 21% in this little time period. And the Dogecoin price went down what? Let's quickly check it out. Take a look. It went down roughly 17% in this time period. When people get scared, that's when we get greedy. And again, at some point, this might not work because Bitcoin keeps crashing, right? But I keep telling you, it is worth the risk. You could have already done this like 10 times by buying the dip. 10 times in a row. Every single time it bounced up, the profit would be way greater than the last time whatever you'd lose the moment it doesn't work. So again, risk to reward. Make sure you press that like button if you get it. Make sure you press that like button if you've been buying the freaking dip. But let me explain it once more. Risk to reward. If you buy all the crypto dips, all of them, no discrimination. Again, let's say it worked for the last 10, maybe now 11 times, right? Every single time you make a crazy amount of profit because you also cash out somewhere. Even if you don't, it would have been fine if you didn't cash out, because right now we're back up. Then now, let's say on the 12th time, Bitcoin decides to kick the bucket and fall down, right? Bitcoin is going to crash. The run is over for now, or at least a 30% correction. Bitcoin goes down to 75,000. Everybody panics. Well, at that point, you would have had so many wins that it's been worth it. Even if on the first time you attempt this, Bitcoin decides to keep going down. Buy the freaking dip more. It goes down further, buy the dip more. The probability of us continuing on this crypto run for at least the next few months is so ridiculously high that it's, in my opinion, just worth it to keep buying your way down lower, because from a risk reward perspective, there's a higher risk of you missing the crazy run than you buying the absolute freaking top that will ever happen in the existence of crypto. I personally believe we will see higher prices than we're seeing today. And if that's the case, then all you got to do is whenever you buy, be patient and not feel FOMO to sell at cheaper prices to buy something else. Again, a few months ago, I think like 6 months, 6 months ago or so, I told you guys, you can sell now to buy other stuff, even though Bitcoin was quite low at the time. And that's because maybe your asset is not really hyped up, it's not really doing anything, and you want to move on for the short term. That's cool, even to sell a loss in those points. But generally speaking, as long as you just keep holding on, again, the history speaks for itself, you would have always been in profit. And the same thing goes for Cardano. If you just held on, you would be in crazy profit. The same thing applies for Dogecoin. If you just held on, you'd be in crazy profit, because even though they're not at all-time highs, the amount of gains they've seen this week, this month, etc. is so severe. It's just been so freaking worth it, man. Anyway, XLM right now seems to be the best coin that I've ever bought. And I just keep looking at it thinking, damn, if only I had more. 58, guys. You can't make this stuff up, man. Stellar XLM just keeps on going, just keeps on going, just keeps on going. We're right back to where the dip ended up. No, matter of fact, yeah, we're just 1 cent or so away from where we ended up last time. And if you do not think that XRP, ADA, Dogecoin, etc. will recover from here, which is fine, to each their own, right? We're just in different mindsets right now. I believe all these coins are going so much higher. They'll just try to shake us out. It's not going to be a one straight road upwards, but I think they'll shake us out. And if you think, no, this was it, we're going only down from here, then let's just agree to disagree. I'm way too bullish to let anybody drag me down. I'm so excited what the next few weeks, next few months are going to bring us. And man, when I feel these, I just want to freaking jump out. And if you noticed, different house, right? I'm not sure if you guys noticed. Bull market vibes. We change it up every single week. I don't care. Too many houses. Anyway, man, I feel another run, a crazy run coming up soon. The momentum is building up. I'm so freaking ready for it. I hope you guys have bought this dip. I hope you guys have got some revitalized energy to freaking go and realize one very important thing. They're gonna try shake you out. And if you are a person that's holding weak, like, I'm not so sure if, snap out of it, all right? Snap out of it. If you're weak, think about it properly and realize for yourself that crypto is not the best thing to go for. It's too volatile. If you are weak-minded, you will buy the top and sell the bottom. And if there's one thing you should never do, it's buy the top and sell the bottom. You can buy, take a little bit of profit and get out, or you can buy, and even if it's gonna dip, you gotta wait until it's higher up there. Not for every asset, but for the ones we talk about here, that's what I believe. I honestly believe that anything I buy will be at a higher price at some point in the future than what I bought it for today. It might take 3 months, it might take 6 months of just all this negativity, but I will not sell any of my top coins at a loss. Call me a lunatic for not accepting defeat or whatever. No, it's because I bought with confidence. I want to also hold it with confidence and then sell with confidence at whatever target I've got, 10x, 15x, it don't matter. But I'm not letting go for like peanuts here. With Cardano, with XRP, with XLM, I am way too freaking excited about the future to let it go for a couple cents. Whoa. Again, guys, I'm not saying this journey will be easy, but I, from the bottom of my heart, think it will be worth it. And again, I've been here throughout all these different storms. I've been trading these cryptos for so many freaking years. And one thing I can tell you is it's almost always the same. This cycle here, if you just hold to it, as of this point, forever for Bitcoin, it's worked, right? All the altcoin things I'm telling you here, as of this point, forever, it's worked. Yes, the cycle looks slightly different every single time, but if you just do not do anything stupid like buying the top and selling the bottom, again, if you just buy the top and you wait, you'll be fine. If you buy the bottom and never sell and it goes back to bottom, yeah, I mean, you didn't, you might have not realized the craziest amount of profits, but at least you're fine. Right now, I just keep telling you, man, these cryptos, they're too easy as of this point. And at some point, it won't be, but for now it is. So I keep telling you guys, if you want to also trade crypto, the link down below to BloFin, you can use it from anywhere in the world. Right now, we've got the competition going on, and I really want to win, which is why I keep talking about BloFin right now, because it's easy to win, I think. Like, the numbers are not that crazy. And also, make sure you go ahead and check out the different things you can get for trading more. Just link is in the description down below. And if you enjoy these daily crypto videos, you make sure you press that like button, all right? And I'll see you again in another video coming out in a few hours. Make sure you put that notification bell on so you don't miss anything. You can always just decide to not click the video, but you can never go back in time. Put that notification bell on. You'll thank me later.